Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You must have an AWS account and an IAM user with ELB permissions. Next, create or select a VPC and pick subnets in at least 2 availability zones for redundancy. Make sure your EC2 instances are provisioned and that their security groups allow the target ports like 80 and 443. Once done, validate route tables and internet gateway if you need public traffic. This prepares the network so the load balancer can route traffic correctly. Now create the load balancer in the EC2 console. Choose the type: Application Load Balancer for HTTP/HTTPS, Network Load Balancer for TCP, because each handles traffic differently and has unique features. Select the VPC and at least 2 subnets, then attach appropriate security groups. Create target groups and register your instances or IPs. Configure listeners and routing rules, and set health checks. Pick a path and reasonable interval and threshold so that unhealthy instances are removed automatically. Make sure stickiness or SSL termination is set if required for your app. Finish by assigning DNS. Use the load balancer DNS name or create a Route 53 alias record for friendly naming. Then test functionality. Hit the listener, run a few sessions, and simulate an AZ failure. Make sure traffic fails over and sessions behave as expected. If something goes wrong, start troubleshooting. Check security groups and NACL, ensure health check path returns 200, review instance application logs, and confirm target registration. Once fixed, retest. This closes the loop and ensures reliable traffic distribution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.